What is going on, my YouTube family? It's Emoneyshoes, and yes, I'm on camera. Can you believe that? My goal for 2020 is to give y'all more on beats, more on feats. But this one, I'm gonna do a plain Janer. I'm gonna try it out, see how her. Yes, I'm sweating. It is hot. It is definitely hot for sure. I know, no cap. I know it's cold where most of y'all from, but it is hot still over here. We're currently on the grind to 5K. So you can tell a family member, a friend, your auntie, uncles, cakeys, all of that stuff. Go check out Emoneyshoes. Be greatly appreciated. Also, go support the home team, Sis 313 Retro Queen. Her information will be in the box below. We're trying to get Sis to 1K. Pretty much all of us get to 1K. She's been really busy with stuff. She does videos, but we just trying to 1K. You can also check her out on Thursday when she does the what does she do? I'm so terrible. She does the Free Your Mind Thursday. All right, so Free Your Mind Thursday. Now, other than that, special shout out to some other people that been rocking with me a lot, which is Pam in. Shout out to the Sis Princess Fame. Shout out to Shoes Up, Sleeves Down. Shout out to me and my kicks for always giving me tips on different stuff. I know first tip he gonna tell me do more on feet, man. But it's all good. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this review. As you can see right here, the box. And you got the orange Nike box right there. You got a size 8.5, 10 Nike Dunk Low SP Viotech straight from the app. Suggested retail price $120. Them thing. Colorway. It says Viotech. You got your art code and all of that stuff there. Focus. There you go. Thing is acting nuts on me today. You can see you got your codes up in here. So you got your regular paper, SB Dunks. Don't you just love the smell of a new shoe? So, just gonna do this review. I mean, pretty much not too much to this shoe. As you can see, it is colorful as hell. Very, very different though. Got Nike underneath the bottom. You got your trademark R, as you can see it. People over here popping fireworks. On the side of the shoe, you got all these different hits, right? You got blue. This suede nubuck is not too bad. I mean, it's a different shoe. The laces, as you can see, like I got a grayish tone to it. You got Nike on the tongue. Come around the side, you got this. This red is kind of rough though. Then you got orange, not bad. The swoosh is different. I mean, very, very dope summer, spring vibe. On the rear, you got Nike and like an olive color, and then you got your green. I mean, it's a lot. It's a very, very busy shoe, so it ain't for the faint of heart. Then you can see on the media side, you got all this stuff on the shoe as well. Inside, you got your purple insole with your yellow swoosh. You don't have any shoe tree in it, just got your regular paper, as you can see. Just regular paper. And you can see you can check your QR code on that inside of the shoe. So definitely, it's going to be different strokes for different folks. It's definitely got to be your cup of tea on this. I just let you take a quick look at the second shoe. I mean, they wrap this sucker up and down real good. Like I said, no intro, no outro. But this guy is pretty much his own paper. Look, it's still wrapped up. But you get my drift. I don't want to mess it all up, the presentation. And I just dropped the shoe all over the done floor. But you get my drift, right? So what do you guys think below? Leave a comment suggestion below. Definitely different. I would say I get about out of 5, about a 4.2 out of 5. Definitely not my cup of tea, but You know what it is? We always say rock and cop what you like. It ain't about what I like. It's about what you like. You feel me? So, again, leave a comment suggestion below. Tell a family member or friend. Come check out Emoneyshoes. Go check out the home team. PMKICKZ. 313 Retro Queen. McFly. Also tune in. Follow us on IG. I'm building up my IG channel. Follow the description at the below. E_money_shoes. And we got the Who Has the Heat page. You feel me? Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Peace.